Print on demand is about to change forever, and 99% of sellers have absolutely no idea what's coming. In this video, I'm talking about the 5 massive shifts happening right now in print on demand. And if you don't adapt to these changes in the next 90 days, you're going to be left behind while a small group of sellers absolutely dominates the next year. The first major shift is what I call the marketplace apocalypse. And I need you to understand something critical. The platforms that you've been relying on are fundamentally changing how they work. Let's start with Etsy. If you've been selling on Etsy, you've probably noticed something strange happening with your listings. Etsy's algorithm has made a dramatic shift. They're no longer showing similar mock-up images next to each other in search results. They're not showing the same product types together anymore. And why? Because Etsy got absolutely hammered in the media. There was negative coverage about print-on-demand sellers, about products not being truly handmade, and Etsy had to respond. So now their AI is actively trying to make search results look completely different and diverse. But here's the real problem, and this is what most sellers don't understand. When you sell on Etsy or Amazon, you don't own your customers. Etsy owns them, Amazon owns them. They control your data, they control your traffic, and they can shut you down at any moment. Think about it. You're building your entire business on rented land. One policy change, one algorithm update, one account suspension, and everything you've built can disappear overnight. This is why smart sellers are making the shift right now, moving away from marketplaces and building their own stores where they own the customer relationship, where they own the data and they control their destiny. But before we talk more about your own store in a few moments, there is another massive shift you need to understand. The second shift is that AI is completely eating the design process. And this is both terrifying and exciting, depending on how you look at it. Tools like Kittleflows and Nanobanana. By the way, I made a full video about Nanobanana specifically for print on demand. I will link that in the description. So these tools can now generate product-specific designs at scale. And when we talk about scaling your print-on-demand designs, I want to show you Kittleflows, and this is not just another AI image generator. It's specifically built to help you explore creative variations at scale, turning one idea into dozens of design options in just a few clicks. Here is how fast this works. Go to Kittle using my link below, create a new project, and check the Creative Flows templates. You can explore existing flows or start from scratch by uploading your successful design. Watch this. I will add a new smartboard from my original design. Type a simple prompt like "create a new design in similar style for another quote." Insert my quote, and boom, new design ready. Click Convert to Image, remove the background if needed, or vectorize to edit further. You are in control of the process. If you need, you can keep changing the prompt or add more to the flow. It's very intuitive. For example, I could say, zoom in to show the man and the t-shirt closer. By the way, you can change the model. In Kittle, you get access to all the latest AI models, including Seedream. And you can easily apply your design to mockups on Canvas. I just clicked on mockups, selected many different mockups from their collection, and applied my design to them. Just like that, you could generate 10 different quotes with the same selling style. One design becomes 10 products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, stickers. This is how you truly scale. Go to play around with Kittleflows and use my partner link in the description and code Anastasia YT for 25% off Kittle. This code works for new users, but if you're watching this close to Black Friday, use the coupon BF25. This gives 25% off annual plans and works even for existing users. You can get 3 months free with this coupon code using the link below. Now that you can create designs at scale, the question is, where do you sell them? And this is where the biggest shift is happening. Remember what I said about the issues on marketplaces, about not owning your customers. Having your own store matters more than ever. And the biggest barrier used to be the technical part. Building a store, connecting fulfillment, making it look professional, until now. So next, I'm going to show you an AI store builder. I'm going to use Everbee Store to show you how fast you can create a whole e-commerce website from a simple prompt. Just use my partner link below to sign up and you will get a whole month of Everbee Store for just $1. And depending on when you're watching this video, their Black Friday deal might be also available, so check that link in the description below as well. We have here 3 options: build from scratch using AI, migrate from an existing Etsy store, or migrate from another platform like Wix. Today, we're generating from scratch, so I will choose to build with AI. In the prompt window, I'll say I want to create a print-on-demand store to sell funny t-shirts for small breed dog owners. As I type, Everbee suggests extended descriptions. I'll go with the first one and click this arrow to start generating. In a few moments, I've got a complete store with homepage, product placements, email form, about us, help and return policy pages, top menu, the whole structure is there. The store is fully optimized for mobile devices too. You can switch here to check how it looks and change your color scheme and fonts. Now let's connect fulfillment. To add products, I will click on Apps, then App Market and choose Printify integration. Click Install the app, then Approve, then Connect. If you don't have a Printify account, use my link in the description below. It's completely free. And Printify is one of the largest print-on-demand platforms, with over 900 products across over 85 categories. They have a network of print providers globally, which means faster shipping times and better quality control. Once signed up, click Allow to connect your Printify account with Everbee Store. Now in Printify, click Add a new store in the top left corner, choose Printify Pop-up Store. This creates a custom storefront. If you get a lucky viral product and say 1,000 orders in 1 month, it would be physically impossible to handle it without a partner like Printify. You're not packing, printing, or managing inventory. You're just designing, listing, and optimizing the fun stuff. It's what makes this kind of explosive growth doable without burnout. No team, no warehouse, just systems that work while you sleep. And one thing I love about Printify, they have added a personalization automation tool that allows you to sell custom products without manually editing every order. It flags custom notes from buyers and places them directly into the order, so you just approve and go. Huge time saver. This here, the AI pricing recommendations are also very helpful, especially for beginners because you don't know the market well, and Printify analyzes your cost, including Etsy transaction fees, and your potential profit. It also knows the average prices in the category and for specific products that you are about to list, and you can accept the suggested pricing with just one click. If you're new or starting your store this year, then Printify is honestly one of the biggest reasons this whole business model feels smoother. But let's get back to our integration with Everbee Store. Once you launch your Printify store and connect it with Everbee, refresh the store list and select your newly created Printify store. Now your store and fulfillment are connected. Any product that you created in Printify will automatically sync to your Everbee store. So you have a new store set up in literally 10 minutes and you can create designs at scale with AI. But here is the million-dollar question. How do you get traffic? This is where the next massive shift comes in, and it's one that almost nobody is talking about. The traffic revolution. This shift is happening in how traffic works, and there are 2 parts to this that you need to understand. First, let's talk about Pinterest. And I know what you're thinking. Pinterest, really? Yes, really. Pinterest is a visual search engine, which makes it absolutely perfect for print-on-demand products. People go to Pinterest looking for inspiration, looking for products, looking for gift ideas. It's literally built for what we sell in print-on-demand. And something that many people don't realize is that Pinterest prefers content from verified domains. So when you have your own store on a verified domain, something like what we've created here with Everbee Store, then Pinterest will drive you more traffic than if you're linking to a third-party marketplace like Etsy or Amazon. Why? Because Pinterest wants to send users to quality, trustworthy websites. So a verified domain signals that you're a real business. Another reason is that Pinterest can attribute all pins that are linked to your domain to your Pinterest account because you have a Pinterest verification code on your domain. So if other users share your pins saved to their boards, these pins will also be attributed to your account. And this is free organic traffic that compounds over time. You create a pin today, it can drive traffic for you for months or even years. Now, let's talk about paid traffic, because there is a revolution happening here too. Meta, that's Facebook and Instagram, has announced that over the next 2 years, their plan is that ads will practically run themselves. Our only job will be providing killer creative for their algorithm to use. Think about this. Meta's ultimate goal is to completely automate Facebook ads, making it easier than ever to scale your brand. The algorithm will handle the targeting, the bidding, the optimization. You just need to feed it great creatives. This is why, if you master ad creatives today, you will dominate e-commerce over the next 5 years. The technical complexity is disappearing for everyone. It's all going to come down to who has the best creative. And the next shift is the all-in-one workflow revolution. I believe that integrated workflows will separate the winners from the losers. We're moving away from fragmented workflows where you use one tool for design, another tool for mockups, another tool for your store, another for fulfillment. That's the old way, and it's dying fast. The future is integrated ecosystems where everything talks to each other, designed to mockup, to store, to fulfillment, all in one seamless workflow. Think about what we just did in this video. We used Kittle flows to create designs at scale. Those designs can be applied to various product mockups right here in the same canvas. Then we connected Everbee Store with Printify for instant fulfillment. Everbee Store, by the way, also has email marketing tools included in their platform, so you don't need to pay for an external tool to contact your buyers and to offer a new product or let them know about a promotion. The entire workflow is connected. And here is why this matters. Speed. In print on demand, speed is everything. The faster you can go from idea to live product, the faster you can test, the faster you can find winners, the faster you can scale. And in a competitive market, speed is a massive advantage. This is why I'm so focused on tools that work together. It's not just about having the best individual tools, it's about having tools that create a seamless ecosystem. And the next shift is that print methods are diversifying. They're going beyond traditional direct-to-garment printing. For years, direct-to-garment was the standard for print-on-demand. It is still great, don't get me wrong, but customers are craving something different now. They want unique, premium products that stand out. This is why we're seeing embroidery absolutely explode right now. Puff print is trending, engraving on drinkware and tumblers is huge. These are print methods that feel more premium, more unique, more special. And here's what's interesting. These methods are now accessible through integrated fulfillment platforms. You don't need to learn embroidery yourself or buy expensive equipment. Printify offers embroidery. They offer engraved products. It's all available through the same platform that you're already using. And remember what we talked about with Etsy's algorithm changes? They're actively trying to show diverse products. This is the future of print on demand. It's not just about slapping a design on a t-shirt anymore. It's about offering unique, premium products that customers cannot find anywhere else. And in my next video, I'm showing how you can use Pinterest as a great free traffic source for your store. I'll link it up there, and I'll see you in the next one.